Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most of you welcome. So congratulations to Brenda Mkweva, who portrays Dorothy in the popular soapy House of Zwide. She has tied a knot. A few months ago, Brenda shared heartwarming photos from a surprise proposal on social media and expressed that she wasn't expecting it and she was shocked. We just hope she will be able to balance her acting career and marriage life, because sometimes it can be difficult and hectic. She received a lot of support from her husband. Hopefully, it will help in her career. I wish her all the best in her marriage and career. And I think last year she was celebrating her 40th birthday, and this year she got married. So it means she got married at the age of 41, and you're not too old. Remember, you're not too old for anything. You can still get married and achieve whatever dreams that you have in your life. I don't know what you guys think about your marriage and career, but we have watched her grow from the days of Rhythm City, and also she was part of Uzalo at some point, and Muvango, now House of Zwide. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.